Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. The podcast all about trying to motivate you and inspire you towards living your life on a higher level. Now, this is your 1 minute of motivation for today, and here is your quote. Cutting people out of my life does not mean I hate them. It simply means I respect me. Sometimes we just have people in our lives who are just a little bit too much. Maybe a bad influence, maybe just cause you a lot of trouble. But now you can keep those people in your world of your own to begin to cut out. You can keep everyone happy in the world, but you need to keep yourself happier instead. Cut the people that try to steer you in the wrong direction or want to hold you back, and respect yourself enough. After all, you owe that to yourself at least.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.